Hello everyone. Today class we are going to study about the next chapter, that is from here to there. What does it deals with? ഈ പാഠം എന്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്? The train. That is some girls are playing as if they were going by train. ട്രെയിനിൽ പോണ പോലെയാണ് അവർ കളിക്കുന്നത്. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb about the chucking train. That is chuck chuck chuck. That is the voice that is made by the train. Chuck chuck, it is the voice. Blow your whistles, and also whistles will be blowed. Take your seats onto your shoulders, if you please. That is, they are holding one by one and they are making the chucking noise, and one by one they are following the path. Forward and backward, forward. Put in a line. That is, they should be maintaining backward, forward, backward, forward. ആ ലൈനിന്റെ അപ്പുറത്തുനിന്ന് കുട്ടികൾ മാറിപ്പോവരുത്. Stay in line. Shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuck, chuck, chuck. The train is on the way. That is, they are making the noise. That is, chuck, chuck, chuck. The train is on the way. Stop, stop, stop. All the stations say. That is, when the stations arrive, station എത്തുമ്പോൾ എന്താ പറയുക? Stop. നിർത്താൻ പറയുക. Train നിർത്താൻ പറയുകയാണ്. Stop എത്തുമ്പോൾ. On rods of iron, we move to and fro. Here come the light, and here they go. That is, it is a poem about the train on roads of iron. That is, on which roads the trains are passing. That is iron road. Iron road means rail track. On the track only train will be going. No, we move to and fro. Here come the light, and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past staging farmers, temples, and mills. That is, the train, it is passing through the hills and the farmers, temples, and mills. The train, it is passing on every way. Past villages, wells, and lush green field with the broken walls and a potato field. They are seeing. What all they are seeing? എന്തൊക്കെയാ കാണുന്നത്? വില്ലേജിലെ കിണറ്, then പാടം, broken walls, wind പൊട്ടിയ ചുമരുകൾ, and also potato field. Chuck, chuck, chuck. The train is on the way. Stop, stop, stop. All the same. So they are asking. They are moving in a mode like chuck, 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 and they are stopping when the stations arrived. Smoky clouds, fairs and crowds, villagers fair, riders on mares, flocks of birds, clustered huts, bridges and paths, doby gats, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. That is, it is a rhyme which has been taken from the Rail Gadi. It is a Hindi poem which has been translated to English. It has been written by Harendranath Chattopadhyaya. ഹരീന്ദ്രനാഥ് ചതോപതിയാണ് ഈ കവിത എഴുതിയത്. ഹിന്ദിയിൽ നിന്ന് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലേക്ക് അത് ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. How did you like the poem? Yes, we like the poem very much because the train, it is passing in a chuck-chuck model and it is stopping after reaching every station. Have you ever traveled in a train when? Yes, we have traveled in a train when we went to our grandfather's house. Can a train move anywhere? Why? Train cannot be moved anywhere because it will be only be passing on the iron road. Iron road means railway track. What is meant by roads of iron? It is rail track. What places did the train pass by? It passed by the village wells, broken walls, and also by the potato fields. Which vehicle have you traveled in? Write the names. That is, children, you have to നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡ്യൂട്ടി എന്താ? ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു നോട്ട് എടുത്തിട്ട് അതിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്ത് സഞ്ചരിച്ച വാഹനങ്ങളുടെ പേരൊക്കെ ആ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതി വെക്കുക. കം ലെറ്റ്സ് മീറ്റ് സം ചിൽഡ്രൻ ആൻഡ് ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ഹൗ ദേ സ്പെൻഡ് ദ വെക്കേഷൻ. അതായത് ഈ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ അവരുടെ വെക്കേഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്തതെന്ന് നമുക്കൊന്ന് നോക്കാം. I went to my uncle. So one girl is saying that she went to her uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier we used to go by the railway station to his house in a bus. But this time it was a great fun. We went by the railway which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even know we did not even come to know cars were running on the road above the tunnel. അതായത് ഈ പെൺകുട്ടി എന്താ പറയണേ? എപ്പോഴും അങ്കിളുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക്, ഡൽഹിയിലുള്ള അങ്കിളുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുമായിരുന്നു വെക്കേഷനിലൊക്കെ. അപ്പൊ ആദ്യമൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ റെയിൽവേ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ പോയിട്ട് we go from the railway station to his house. റെയിൽവേ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ അവരുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാ പോയിരുന്നത്? ബസ്സിലൂടെ പോയിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഈ പ്രാവശ്യം നമ്മൾ ഏതിലൂടെയാ പോയത്? That is metro. We used a metro which is being passing through the underground tunnel. It is above the tunnel, way above the tunnel. ടണലിന്റെ മേലെ വാഹനങ്ങളും പാസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അത് ആലോചിക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ കുട്ടിക്ക് വലിയ അമേസിംഗ് ആയി. It was my bow's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine he came from so far but reached here in one day. Bow looked very beautiful when she was going in the പല്ലക്ക്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ബാവുടെ സിസ്റ്ററുടെ മാരേജ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ ഈ പയ്യൻ എന്താ കുറെ റിലേറ്റീവ്സിനൊക്കെ കണ്ടുമുട്ടി. ഇവന്റെ ബ്രദർ എവിടെന്നാ വന്ന? കെയിം ഫ്രം അമേരിക്ക ത്രൂ aeroplane, but he also reached within a one day because he traveling in aeroplane, no, so he reached within one day. And his sister looked very beautiful and she is passing on the pallak. I went to my nanny's house in Kerala. The another girl is saying that she went to her grandmother's house, which is in Kerala, where she lives, and there is water everywhere. That is water. It is being surrounded in that place. From the station, we could have taken a from the railway station. By which vehicle did they reach that place? It is through bus, and a car is being taken to reach her house. Instead, we took a from the station we could have taken a bus or a car. That is, she's saying that instead of a bus or a car, this time we took one boat to reach that house. It found very strange for her to reach there. And the boy here, it is saying we went to Simla during the vacation. But where did the boy go? Boy this time go to Simla to enjoy his vacation. The bus moved on a zigzag road on the high mountains. That is the bus. Bus how it is moved on zigzag. That is on the mountains. No, the peak of the mountains. It will be passing in a zigzag model. It was very crazy when we looked down. That is, when we are looking down, it seems to be very crazy. We have to walk long distance in Simla. In Simla, we know that it is a cool atmosphere and we have to travel a lot. My dadi would get tired very quickly. We would have ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. That is for old people and all. They were using horse to riding. But he did not. This boy is very small, no, so he did not feel tired. So he enjoyed and started walking. My Kala lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have a of cart to go to Nani's house. That is, this girl is saying that my Kala lives, her grandparents, it is living very close to her house. So she used to go there by riding her bicycle. But her parents use a car to go to Nani's house. Next coming is another boy. He is saying that I went to Mamaji's house. That is, here we are all seeing the type of vehicles being used by the people to reach from one place to another. I went to my Mamaji's village. From the railway station, there is no bus going to the village. So we went in a bullock cart. We crossed the lush green fields of the village and I loved the signs of bellies tied and eggs. That is, when this boy went to this Mamaji's village, from the railway station there was no bus or car available on that area. So they used a bullock cart which crossed the paddy fields, and also the sound of the bellies. That is, the sound will be hearing from that vehicle. No, it is found to be very interesting for that boy. Which all vehicles did the children traveled? Let us see here. We have seen a girl traveling in bus, train, and being car, then aeroplane, then also a boat, cart, horse. These are the vehicles being used by the children. How would you choose to go from house to the places written below in the box? That is, here you are means here we are placing in this position. We are being placed in this position. And we are going to the market. How we are going to the market? We are going to the market through bicycle, to the school by auto or bus, then to the friend's house. Friend's house also means auto. To the nanny's house, if it is far away from this, by bus, or if it is close to our house means by bicycle. Across a river, across in the sense by boat. To relatives by car. How would you keep yourself safe while driving up? That is, we should obey all the instructions being followed while driving a vehicle. That is, this vehicle, the first vehicle, it is used to carry. You are used to pull the vegetables. Vegetables are being supplied in this vehicle. Then next is the post van. Mails are being sent through this van. And here it is those are disabled. Disabled will be traveling in this vehicle. Next one is a tractor, which is being used by the farmers. This is the vehicle, that is the double door vehicle people use to travel on the road. Then ambulance. What is ambulance? For the emergency cases, that is the hospital cases, we are using the ambulance. You can also name two more vehicles and what are their uses. Then next it is a picture shown, that is number of vehicles are given in the center of the wheel. Join those on the side of the number of wheels each vehicle has, and on the other join them what is used to run them. That is for bus, how many wheels are being used? We have to find out from this picture. അതായത് ഇതിൽ ടു വീൽസ് ഉള്ളത് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? ടു വീൽസ് മീൻസ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് സ്കൂട്ടർ, ബൈസൈക്കിൾ, ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ടു വീലർ. Then three wheels, it is auto rickshaw. Four wheels, car. Then more than four wheels means bus. It is driven by humans. Driven by humans, and all these are being driven by the humans only, isn't it? Driven by animals means bullock cart. Bull, it is used for moving the cart. Run by electricity means what? Metro. It has been metro rail. No, it has been run by the electricity. Run on petrol or diesel or gas. Petrol, diesel, that is every vehicles including the scooter, bicycle, car and bus, it is being run by the petrol and diesel. Find out the elders, how did people travel 50 years ago. We all have seen that 50 years ago they will be walking only, walking by leg, then using cart. Were the present means of travel available? No, the present means of travel were not available in those days. Then imagine the vehicle used for traveling 20 years, used to travel for 20 years from now. Ask your family members and friends and fill in the table. That is, you should ask your family members and friends to fill the table. That is whom you asked. On the either one column, it is being asked, that is, ആരോടാ നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ചത്? Yourself. നിങ്ങളാണോ എഴുതണത്? ആൻസർ എഴുതണമെങ്കിൽ you yourself should be named. Then if you are asking your friend, your parents, teachers, write down their names and what are the answers they are giving. That is the type of vehicle being used. Your own train, with the help of the pictures, making a toy. That is, a toy train can be created if we are using the matchstick box. No, if you are using it, we can make a toy train. It is chuck chuck sound, it is being made by the train. Then pin pin, pin pin, we know that scooter, it is making such noise. Pon pon, trunk, a big truck, if it is passing by the road, it make pon pon sound. Khar khar, khar khar, what? Motorcycle, it is when starting. Khar khar, it is sound it is making. Pin pin, scooter, we know. Tup tup, hose cart, that is a man will be biting the hose, so a tup tup sound it is being heard. Tring tring, that is a bicycle. Bicycle will be making the tring tring sound. These are the sounds of single vehicles. How does it sound? Which many vehicles run together on the road. That is, if single vehicle is passing means ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ഇത് പാസ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ സൗണ്ട് ഒക്കെ കേൾക്കും. If they are passing in a crowd means എല്ലാം ഒന്നിച്ച് പാസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ the noise will be very much irritating. What all can you see in the picture? In the picture we can see a fire, that is fire being exhausted. Then a police van, it is seen, ambulance and a fire engine vehicle. Which vehicle can you see in the picture? These three vehicles can be seen. And what are they are used for? Ambulance, it is to take the patients to the hospitals. Police came here to save the people who are being caught up here. And the fire vehicle, it is to extinguish this fire. And look at the box in the picture of the top, that is they are not properly drawn. So students, your duty it is to pick the pictures. That is one the picture one, it is showing the eye. Last portion of the picture will be here, that is the 4. So you have to rearrange this and paste in the picture that is given below. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.